The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained a lot of attention in recent years for its potential benefits for weight loss, blood sugar control, and overall health. The keto diet works by putting your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that typically includes 70 to 80% of calories from fat, 10 to 20% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This macronutrient ratio is designed to help your body enter a state of ketosis, where it produces ketones from stored fat for energy instead of glucose from carbohydrates. To achieve ketosis, the diet limits the consumption of carbohydrates to around 20 to 50 grams per day, depending on individual needs and goals. This means avoiding high-carbohydrate foods like bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and sugar, and focusing on foods that are high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and fatty fish. Benefits of the keto diet. There are several potential benefits of the keto diet, including weight loss. The keto diet can help you lose weight by reducing your appetite and promoting fat burning. Studies have shown that people on a keto diet lose more weight than those on a low-fat diet, and the weight loss tends to be more sustainable over the long term. Improved blood sugar control. The keto diet can help improve blood sugar control by reducing the amount of glucose in the bloodstream and promoting the use of ketones for energy. This can be especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet may help reduce inflammation in the body, which has been linked to a variety of chronic health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Improved mental clarity. Some people report improved mental clarity and focus when following a keto diet, possibly due to the brain's increased use of ketones for energy. Lowered risk of certain diseases. The keto diet may help lower the risk of certain diseases, such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS.